Welcome to creating a basic Google Doc. The first thing you should have on your desktop is you should be logged in to your Forest Grove School District Google Drive. That's what you see right now in front of you. Once you're logged in there, take your mouse and go to New. You will get a selection of items. Go down and select Google Docs. You will see a blank Google document appear. It looks very similar to Word. However, this is done through Google, and it's called Google Docs. Up in the left-hand corner, you will see the words Untitled Document. If you click on those, you can rename this document to whatever you would like. I'm going to name this file Creating a New Google Doc. I hit OK. And if you look up in the left-hand corner, you will see the new file name for my document. From there, I can just start typing. If I want to, I can set my paper up so it will center. This icon right here will allow my cursor to center in my paper. I can choose to underline my title, bold my title, and we can jazz it up a little bit by clicking on a bright green font. So when I start typing, my text will bold, underline, and will be in a green font. So I have decided to call this title of this document Creating a Google Doc. If I want the font size to be bigger, I can select it, and I could change it to maybe a size 30. Now I'm going to go ahead and start typing my document. So I hit enter. I no longer want it bolded, so I'm going to click on bolding. I no longer want it underlined, so I'm going to click on it to turn it off. And I want my font back to the basic black color. And I don't want my whole document centered, so I'm going to click on the left align icon so my cursor gets sent back to the left side. I could continue to type in the size 30 font, but I want my title to stand out, so I'm going to take it down to a size 18 font. And now I can start typing my Google document. As I start typing, it will start saving changes to my drive. One significant difference with Google Docs compared to Microsoft Word is that it does all the changes automatically. So there is no longer any more file save as. That's now gone. Everything automatically saves to your Google Drive. Now let's say you are working on a document and you would like to share it with a colleague or with a student. Click Share. Up will pop this box. If you enter their email address and they're within our district, their email address should appear. Click on that. One big thing you need to be aware of, where it says Can Edit, that means whoever I'm sending this document to can edit it and make changes to it. If I click this, it will allow me to select Can Comment, which means they can't make changes, but they can put comments in there and suggest changes that I could change later. The one I recommend is Can View. If you click on Can View, it means they can see the document, but they can't change it. That's the one I highly recommend using for students because you don't want 35 kids accessing the document and making changes to it. You usually just want them to view it and make a copy. So once you have decided which way you want to send your document, you choose it and you click Send. And that's it. It gets shared with that person and they'll receive it in their shared portion of their drive. That's pretty much it for creating a basic Google document. One thing that you may want to know is if you close out this tab after you've created the document, you will see in your Google Drive, there's our Word document we created earlier, and I can just double click and it will open it up and I can resume working on it again.